Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own club on Strava. Whether you want to connect with fellow runners, cyclists, or fitness enthusiasts in your area, creating a club is a fantastic way to build community and share your passion for sports. First things first, open your Strava application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features needed to set up your club. Once the app is loaded and ready, you'll want to navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll find several menu options. At the bottom of the screen, click on Groups. This section is where all the community features live, including the option to create and manage clubs. It's essentially your hub for connecting with other athletes and exploring group activities. Now, you'll need to find the option that says Create Your Own Strava Club and click Get Started. This button initiates the club creation process and will guide you through a series of setup steps to customize your club exactly how you want it. The first thing Strava will ask you to do is select your club's sport. This could be running, cycling, or any other activity that Strava supports. Choose the sport that best represents what your club will focus on, then click Next to move forward. This helps potential members immediately understand what your club is all about. Next, you'll need to choose what best describes your club. Strava offers different categories like casual social clubs, competitive groups, or training focused communities. Select the option that aligns with your vision for the club and click Next. This classification helps members know what kind of atmosphere and activities to expect. Now comes the fun part where you can really personalize your club. You'll have the option to upload a photo that represents your club, whether it's a logo, a group photo, or an image that captures the spirit of your community. You'll also input your club name and write a description that tells people what your club is about, what kind of activities you'll do, and why they should join. Once you've filled in these details, click Next to continue. The next decision is an important one. You need to choose whether your club will be public or private. A public club means anyone can find it and join, while a private club requires approval for new members. Consider what level of exclusivity you want for your community, then click Next after making your selection. Finally, you'll need to select if your club is global or if you want to select a specific location. If you're creating a club for people in a particular city or region, choosing a location helps local athletes find you more easily. If you want to welcome members from anywhere in the world, select the global option. Once you've made that choice, click Create Club and you're all set. Your Strava club is now live and ready to welcome members who share your passion for fitness and community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.